Hi, I have been hosting with Siteground web hosting for over 9 years right now, and over 20 domains is currently hosting with them. Sometime I will take a look at their latest cloud hosting and also the dedicated servers to compare any upgrades option available for my website. Currently, my website is still a bit of consider low traffic, and I have used the super cache and also the server cache to optimize the traffic loads. And so far, it can handle the traffic very well. And for those webmaster that have a huge traffic website and you already optimize your website, and what you need next is some upgrade plan. What you can consider is the either the cloud hosting services or the latest dedicated server plan if you want the full control of the server and you don't want sharing the server load. This is the good time to consider the SiteGround dedicated server hosting. They are offering a fully managed servers, and that means they come with the WHM cPanels, control panels, and the technical support will handle all the software updates. They will set up the server for you and also manage the future updates for you, and that is what is being termed by the fully managed server. Try to stay away from the unmanaged or the semi-managed server. As you can see, for example, in the HostGator, they are offering partially managed. From here, you can see the partially finished, and of course, you need to do a lot of server health checking and also updates, and a lot of the commands. You need to learn and know how to manage the server by yourself. And for most webmaster, the best choice is to go for the fully managed server. And at SiteGround hosting here, their server they have three options only, and all of them are fully managed. From here, you can get their private server from 229 a month. This is considered a high spec server. You can see there is a 3.2 gigahertz of CPU speed, 4-core processor, and the 8 CPU thread, which means this is a processing intensive dedicated servers. And the RAM is very sufficient, 4 GB. Of course, you can upgrade the RAMs at your demands, and also the storage is 500 GB SATA 2 hard disk drive, and the bandwidth is given at 5 terabytes. You may choose to upgrade this in the future when you need more bandwidth for your websites. For hardware and services, they have a selected hardware. As we can see on the above, the spec is quite new. This is considered quite a latest trend in the current 1 year. This is still the latest hardware being offered at here, and it is fully managed. At here, they said they will set up the server for you, keep the server software updated, and monitor your machine 24/7 and react immediately in case of any issue, error, or downtimes. So this is what we terms by the fully managed servers. And they also come with the 24/7 VIP support. This is a very fast VIP support that handle your tickets in less than 1 hour time. There is also phone and email ticketing, online chat as well. It will reboot upon your request, or when the diagnostic tools detected any failure with your servers. So this is another advantage. So it is a peace of mind, and you have the technical people to handle your server for you, and it only costs you 229 for your business. And most importantly, this plan is compatible for WordPress, Joomla, and Magento, and they come with the staging for WordPress. That means you can edit copy versions of your website, you do the modifications, and when you are done with it, you can implement it online and make it come live. So this is what the staging tools are about, and it will not interrupt your current running websites. It creates a clone copy of your website. And for the auto update, yes, the WordPress auto update accessories and everything is included here, and there is a performance booster option that you can add into your account for additional price. So meaning this will boost your WordPress site even further. For most users that is using the dedicated server, mostly they will be hosting multiple domain, multiple website, and this is when the 5 free dedicated IP come into place. You can host 5 websites with individual IP address, and this is a very SEO friendly and Google friendly. So you can see they have taken care of this as well. And for the mail server, they are using the famous Exim mail server. This is a high capacity mail server. You can send out a few thousands emails in each hours, and this is a very high capacity. I've been using Exim before, and previously last time I've been using the dedicated server from HostGator and Liquid Web Hosting as well. And so far I haven't experienced the Siteground dedicated server, and I hope in the very near future I can experience this for myself. And here you can see the WHM and cPanel is being offered here, and the website that you are using, you can install the software using the Softaculous auto installer. If you are going to install WordPress, Joomla, or any e-commerce website, you can use the Softaculous. It will handle the script updates, auto update in the near future when there is a new version being released. The PHP version and the MySQL version is the latest as well. Both are running the version 5. And there is a IP tables, firewalls. You can block any IP address that you don't want. So this is a full feature and full controls on the control panels, on the server access, everything. So I think this is sufficient for most business. If you are running high traffic website, this is one of the options that you can consider. And if you are doing commercials or doing a business website, I think this is the only choice to go, not to stick with the share hosting services because of the security concerns. And if you are doing the business with the membership, the login, etc., that you want to manage thousands of your customer or member details, the dedicated server will be the only choice. And for Siteground, I believe their support is one of the best. And right now there is a 3 data center to choose from: United States, Europe, and also Asia Pacific. Choose the location that is nearest to you, and also the location where your customer is coming from mostly. So if you are targeting the European customer, you can choose the Europe server data centers, for example. And thanks for watching my videos. Hope my video are ads free, and hopefully you can click the like button on this video, and you can use the promotion links at my website. They will give you some discount on the share hosting services. And once again, thanks for watching my reviews.